Mauricio, Ayala, and our team is conformed by Elías, Banda, Ricardo, Rendón, Sebastían, Ortiz, Hector, Guerra, and Martín, Toscano. The construction that we are going to be talking about is a bank remodeling. We are going to be talking about the whole process that engineers and workers did to achieve this project. And we are going to emphasize in machinery that workers use to facilitate every part of the work, and also the tools used in this project. The areas in which the process was divided was electricity installation, air conditioner, security installation, and hydrosanitary works. Also, we are going to conclude about the results and the benefits for society. The next one, please. We have this information: 5,875, Ciudad Victoria. Vancomer, its location is Avenue Cristóbal Colón, number 115, Colonia Centro, Ciudad Victoria. The construction area is 538.68 square meters, and it's a remodeling and expansion of the bank range is required.
We are going to talk about the structuring process. We need to determine the preliminary outline of the area to be built. We need to place pour concrete to the place and the leveling of the trench. And we need to make the footing process, and we need to make the bending of the casting of ready-mix concrete after 24 hours. To the construction process, we need to put in the blocks and continue to be placed to level the ground of the request level 0. And the preparation was made to assemble and place the perimeter stem wall, as well as the casting in each foundation footing and or a metal column location. To the process of centering, we have to place the anchors. We need to enable the columns and steel beams. We need the beam assembled, and after the beams are assembled, we need to lay it with the electro-welded mesh, and we can start with the curing process. After that, we need to raise the walls or drywall. We need to locate the electrical installation, the plumbing installation, the placement of floors and aluminum frames and ceiling. And we need to make the application of space on the walls and the painting for a future finishing of the walls. The tools that are employed are the bars, the shovel, the picks, and the wheelbarrows. And the machinery is the mobile crane, the welding plane, the gas cutting equipment, the batch hose, the dump truck, and the shaping motor.
So the trace is made in the sanitary area to carry out the excavations in accordance with the hydrosanitary installation plan, considering the trajectories, both the PVC pipe and the copper pipe for the hydraulic installation. So the tools that were used for the hydrosanitary installations were the walling torch, the hacksaw, the pipe cutter, the pressure gauge, and the jackhammer.
Well, the electrical installations. In the electrical installation, there's a main board that is divided in lighting board, regular board, socket, air conditioner board, and a special board that is used to regulate the system of special equipment. Some of the tools used in the electrical installation are rotary hammer, clamps, screwdrivers, drills, tube benders, and multimeter. The machinery used in the electrical installation is the mobile crane because of to carry the emergency power plant to the roof.
Security installation. The main rack is in the knot according to the project, and this rack is channeled with a channel field tray to the different areas indicated in the project, so that security personnel carry out your wiring according to what is established in the project, considering that they are closed circuit fire alarms and security keypads.
The air conditioner process. From the closet of electrical panels is located a board for all air conditioners, from which the conduits are made with thin wall conduit pipe to each positional location of air conditioning equipment according to the project. finishes, after finishing all the other processes, all that is the civil work. And now we proceed to place the floors, the ceiling panels, and the windows, and finally cleaning the entire work to be delivered.
The final process is the parking area. Parking area cleaning is done, levers are drawn, and the existing material is removed to replace with new material. After leaving, we proceed to emptying of ready-mix concrete. The purpose of this work was to remodel the bank, this with the aim to improving the space of the establishment and by expanding the dimension of the building and providing to the clients a better service in the institution, as well to the employees and the administrative staff to have a more comfortable space to work. They had to select each of the materials and the machines that they would had use of each of the areas of the bank, because they have to see what it was the specific necessities of each area to make a better construction and have a better quality on the construction.